Hi guys, I am Arindam. Welcome to Text ID. Today I will show how to download and install Eclipse IDE. So let's start. First I open Google Chrome. Then type Eclipse. Then enter. Click on download button. Download 64-bit. First I check my OS is 64-bit or 32-bit. So left click on this PC, then properties. Here system type 64-bit operating system. So my OS is 64-bit. So I download 64-bit Eclipse IDE. This is the latest version of Eclipse IDE. So I click on download 64-bit button. Then click on download again. Download is start. Finally download Eclipse Windows 64-bit IDE is installed. You can download for Linux OS, Mac OS. So how to download for Linux OS or Mac OS? Download, click on download package. Eclipse IDE for Java developer, download 64-bit Windows, Mac, Coca 64-bit, Linux 64-bit. Another version of Eclipse is here. Now I will show how to download Eclipse IDE for 32-bit in Windows OS. So type Eclipse 32-bit. Then click on download Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here download links is present. Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, Mac OS Xcode 32-bit, 64-bit, Linux 32-bit, 64-bit. You can download any version of Eclipse on your PC. Now I will show how to install Eclipse IDE. This is the installer file of Eclipse IDE. So I double click on Eclipse installer is starting to install Eclipse IDE. You can download Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers, Eclipse IDE for C++, C++ developer, and Eclipse IDE for PHP developer. I installed Eclipse IDE for Java. There are two options is for me. So I download Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. Enterprise Java developer provide both Java Enterprise Edition and Java Standard Edition. But Eclipse IDE for Java developers only provide Java Standard Edition. So I'd install Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. So I click on it. Install Java 1.8 virtual machine in this path. My current JDK is 13.0.2. Installation folder, username Eclipse, then JEE, the Eclipse version of 2020 0.3. Then install. Install is starting. It takes few time to install Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developer. So I wait for successful installing. Then click on accept. Finally, installation complete. So I click on launch button. Eclipse IDE is prepared for launching. Then select a directory as workspace. That means your all project is saved on in this directory. So you can customize your directory or save in default directory. So I choose default directory, then clicked on launch button. Eclipse IDE is open. There are welcome page of Eclipse IDE. You can create a Java Enterprise Edition web project, create a new JavaScript project, launch the Eclipse marketplace, open a existing file, etc. Finally, Eclipse IDE is ready for Java code. I upload the download link of Eclipse IDE in this video description box. So you can download Eclipse IDE via the link. I upload both 64-bit and 32-bit download link in this video description. If any doubt, so please comment in this video. Hopefully this video is helpful for everyone. So thanks for watching this video.